Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a homemade chocolate cake with homemade chocolate icing. I've had several people ask me for this recipe, so I figured I would make a video on it. So if you like chocolate cake, this will probably be your favorite recipe. I'm a chocolate lover and kind of picky about chocolate cake, and this one is my favorite. So give it a try and let me know what you think. One thing I want to add real quick is I do already have my oven preheated to 350, and the first thing that I did before I got all my stuff out was I got 2 sticks of butter, and that's going to need to be softened for the icing and let it sit out and get soft. As you can see, my cake did stick to the pan. That may have been because of the olive oil that I had. I did not have Baker's Joy, but I still used it anyways, and it turned out fine. Now I am making the homemade icing. I have 2 sticks of softened butter. I did not microwave the butter. I just left it out to get soft at room temperature, and then I added 4 cups of powdered sugar, give or take a little bit. Then I added 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sometimes I do add another tablespoon. It just depends on my mood and how chocolatey I want it. I add a splash of milk. Do not add too much because you can always add more after you start mixing. I did end up adding a little bit more milk until the consistency gets fluffy. If you add too much, then it starts to get like a melted texture, and because it's so hot in my kitchen in the afternoons, I like the icing to be a little bit more thick. Then you just put the icing on the first layer. I just do a thin layer because I'm not a huge fan of a lot of icing and I don't like it super thick. So I just do a thin layer of icing in the middle, and then I start to ice the rest of the cake. You can kind of see where the cake in the back started to fall a little bit, and that is because of having trouble getting the cake out of the pan. Here I am just doing a little design that my mom taught me, and I just do that all the way around the cake until it looks how I want. You can do any design, of course. So I wasn't going to do a taste test, but I just made a whole cake. My grandmother's birthday is actually tomorrow, so I'm gonna bring her a piece, but I cut a piece for the pictures, so. Wow, it's the best chocolate cake. Okay, one more bite. You gotta try it, it's so good. As always, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, and if you try this recipe, let me know. See you later.